Welcome back to our channel, and today we're on a cruise. My sister actually came on a cruise by herself, but since all this mess is going around, we're gonna wipe our room down. Just, you know, even though we know that not guest services, but the room services, they've done it already, but we're gonna be extra precautious and we're going to wipe it down. I have this pack that I got from Dollar Tree, and areas that you want to pay close attention to are as follows. So come on over. Carnival, they left this letter and they were saying how, you know, they were going to be handling this thing that was going on. I don't want to mention it because I'm going to get demonetized, but stuff that you can do to take control of things. But the first thing we're going to do is this, what do you call it? What do you call this thing? Oh,
remote.
The remote. I'm gonna wipe it down, but I'm also gonna I bought a baggie. We're gonna put it in the baggie so we won't transfer any germs that we've gotten outside on here. So wipe that down. Wipe the phone down, which is in here. Hopefully we won't have to use it, but that's the phone. So, and the safe is in here, so I'm gonna wipe this off first. Looks like somebody used it, and then wipe the numbers off. Wipe these drawers. Wipe this desk, because, you know, we know they did it, but that's that. Get another one. And the bathroom. Go to the bathroom. Wipe the handle down. Inside and out. These faucets, like I said, no, they cleaned them, but just to be on the safe side, I'm gonna wipe it again. These cups up here, I use them. Do you use them? Just like if we rinse, I'm not gonna wash it out. I'm just gonna rinse it off. But like that. And the main thing that we're going to wipe down is this rail. This little, thing we got for the washer. The shower. The knobs, wipe that off. These soap things, even though we probably won't use them, but just in case. And then this handle. You want to wipe the button, the back of the toilet, in case the lid the lid is down accidentally. Back, in case it falls on your back, and the toilet seat. And there's no, there's a separator. So that's that. So basically that's it. There's probably other places we can wipe down, but those are the majority that we're going to wipe down. We may wipe down some other things like the closet handles and stuff like that, but just to keep you safe, and everybody's going to be happy and healthy on their cruise. So till then, see you when we see ya. Stay healthy.